Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create an employee data entry form in Excel. Here as you can see, let's test our program. So let's create our program. I will close all this also, don't save, open Excel. New workbook. So then the first thing you have to do is save the file as macro. From here, enable macro enables, name your file data entry form and save it anywhere that you want. Okay, for example, this place, and save. Okay, now open PowerPoint, new, delete this and this also. Let's change the background color. Go to design and format background, then go to color and choose your color here, any color that you want, for example this one or this one, as you like. Okay, this one, it's okay. All right, or maybe let's choose this one. I think it's okay. All right, now go to insert, shape, and choose this one. Go to shape format, no outline. All right, insert, to insert a text box and write anything you want. Employee data entry form. All right, select all, bold, center, make it a little bigger. All right, change the color to white. And put it inside here. Now let's insert a text box. Go to insert again, shape, and insert rectangle. Format. Right. Go to shape, fill, and choose white. All right. Right click on it, drag it to make others. All right, 1 2 3 4 5. Let's create another one. Click shift and it's okay. Now select all and drag it like this. Okay, let's go to insert again, and this time picture. All right, all right. Let's create others. Control C, Control V, Control V 6 times. Control V, Control V again. The last one. All right. So now let's insert again a text box, and center, put it to 28, bold, and here type ID, and put it here. All right, let's create another one. Click Control and drag. Okay, from here name, okay. Control C, Control V to create another text box. Control V, again Control V, Control V again. All right. So now let's change name, gender, then email, this one phone, and address. Right. Okay. Now let's insert icons for each one. Go to insert picture from this device. Let's insert gender and address, Gmail, phone, which one, phone, ID, and person. Okay, let's adjust all. All right, Gmail, put it in Gmail, or gender, name, ID, phone, and address. Okay, so now I will create another buttons. Insert picture from this device, this one, make it smaller, okay. Control C, Control V, Control V, Control V 4 times. right. Let's adjust all. Okay, select all, then all right. So now I will insert icons for all these buttons. Shape, no sorry, picture from this device. So I will insert this one and this one, this one, 4 icons. Okay, let's adjust all. Okay, let's place all the icons. This one here. All right, and delete this one here and search. Oh, sorry. Search, then update. And place it here. All right. So let's create now another text box. I will copy just this one. Control C, Control V. Okay, this one. From here, add, and save. Okay, let's change the color to white. Okay, let's create another. Select this one, Control C and Control V 4 times. Control V, Control V again. Okay, let's change the name. Delete. Search. Update. All right, now it's okay. So now I will make a screenshot for this. So press print screen or on your keyboard or use any program. Print screen. Then I will, sorry, print screen. Okay, now open Paint and paste the picture as you can see here. Now go to save picture and save it as JPG. All right, then click OK, name it, pick picture and name it, then close this and open Microsoft Excel. Now go to developer and open Visual Basic, then go to insert, create a user form, make it a little bigger, and now insert a picture. From here insert a picture, or is make here a picture. Okay, to adjust the picture just double click here and you can move it. All right, okay, now everything is okay. Now let's test our application. Click on run. That is the result. Okay, that's all for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment. See you on the next video.